Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at 920 Myrtle. This is our newest listing. Great opportunity for someone. You can see behind me this cute home. It has a very nice big primary bedroom with its own bathroom, main level laundry, and tons of character inside, an updated kitchen. But the best part is, in this detached garage has a living area as well. And then also a huge space. Right now the homeowner uses it as a detailing shop, so it's a huge space there for somebody. And this home and the shop sits on a huge lot. So much opportunity here. So come on in and take a look inside.